These Ankara or African print fabrics were chosen with makers in mind. Hello, good people. This is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. Today, I'm going to share with you my African fabrics that I had decided to sell and close them out. I'm really ready to go on another shopping trip, but I have to move some of what I have. So I'm going to show you what I have, and then I'm going to leave a link to my Sharika Originals shop where these fabrics are posted. These are all authentic African print fabrics. Most of them I have purchased directly from fabric stores in Nigeria. I also visited a fabric store in Paris. So let me show you what I have for you. This is a blue, this is navy and blue and beige. And this is the first piece. This next one is green, brown, black, and little specks of white, and then some light green. This next one is a light green, a dark green, little bit of gold, and purple. These are available in a 3-yard max. You can buy 1 yard or 2 yards or up to 3 yards. This is a bright red and white. This next one is purple and I want to say fuchsia, but it's like a purplish fuchsia and black. And this next one is blue with like a leaf green and then light blue. This next blue one is blue, white, and some teal. Like it's a kind of a teal blue, and then this is the regular blue. So that's that one. And then this one is orange and white. It has little tiny brown like watermarks in it. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought it was a flaw, but then I can see it in different parts of the fabric. So this is the orange and white. Okay, so now I have some fancy fabrics that I'm going to offer. And this one is black, white, and got gold threads in it. I wish I could, I don't know if I could get the gold threads. Yeah, there you go. So black, white, and gold threads. This is a fancy one, and it is $10 a yard. The ones that I just showed you are gonna be $8 a yard. This next fancy one is also got gold threads in it. It's black, gray, and gold. And then this is a woven fabric, and it is purple. I know that looks kind of blue to me right now, but it's really purple, green, orange, and black. And then the last one is a woven one as well with the gold threads in it. And it is purple, black, and gold. All right, I will put these in. I'll link these in. I also have my 10-piece set that, let's see. Let me look. You see, I'm not offering everything for sale, but I'm still offering a lot. Like this is our 10-piece fancy set. This is red and gold and purple and blue. And then this one is like a green glitter. with brown. And you know, the thing about the the authentic prints is that you can use both sides of it. Look at that side. And this one is fuchsia and mustard and gold metallic. Well, no, these are not metallic. This is a gold print. The other ones, the fancy ones, have a woven. Okay, here is another one that is orange and brown and white. Here's the other side. You can see the colors clearly. It's embellished. This one is another embellished with glitter. This one is brown and green and salmon. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, this is one of my favorites. All these little gold leaves, and the color is purple and teal and blue and yellow. Here's another one, the gold embellished, and then the color on the back is salmon and brown and white. This one is pink and brown and white, and here's the back of it. This one is blue and yellow, white. It's got silver glitter. Let's see, can I make the glitter? There it is, a little bit silver glitter. This one is navy blue and green, a little white in there. And then here is the back. Okay, is that the 10? Okay, so yeah, this is the 10 pack. These African print fabrics are perfect for making statement jewelry, accessories, and mixed media designs that stand out and sell. These bold and vibrant prints, they're ideal for making your earrings, your necklaces, cuffs, fabric wrapped components, and one-of-a-kind pieces that your customers, they're not going to see this anywhere else. When you work with unique fabrics, that's going to elevate your designs, and you're going to make some money because of the uniqueness. The fabrics that are available are tagged in the video, so take a look. And I haven't offered this green yet, but if you want this green, let me know, and I'll I'll figure something out. Here's some purple. Again, the purple isn't listed either. I used this purple to make this statue as a Christmas gift for someone. I cut her head off in the video, but here's a better picture of her head wrap. And this is my latest favorite. I did some beads with this, and I'm not really willing to part with this yet. I do have one young lady that's going to get a piece of it because I made a mistake on her order, and to to make up for making that mistake, I'm going to give her a piece of this. But all right, and I may offer some of this orange and red. That's how that one is. So, but I haven't offered that one. But if you're interested in this one, let me know, and we'll talk. Tell me what you think about this one. I haven't listed it yet, but it's purple, got little purple ribbons on it, and teal. Let's see if I can show that to you. And then this is a pretty one too. It's green and brown. And again, I haven't listed this one. This one is black and white stripes. I really like this one. And this one is purple, light purple, dark purple, and white. And this is another green one. It's got olive green and a beautiful green and some brown. All right, good people, this is Sherry, owner and designer for Sharika Originals Handcrafted Gifts, where we help you create jewelry for those who are deliberately different. This is Sherry. So take a look for the links and leave me a like, leave me a comment, let me know which of these fabrics you like. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. This is Sherry saying, as always, be blessed.